Well, we know why you're all steamed up, and so do Gerald and Sid.
But they have to be diplomatic. Now, take me back to London.
I am bang up against it here, guys. Getting a street photography video out for you guys, I mean. I've been stacked up all week with work, lots of editing, a few little other projects I'm wanting to get off the ground. And just behind schedule. But I wanted to get a video out. I'm going to Ireland tomorrow for a few days. Let me stop. So I'm going to Ireland tomorrow. I need to go into the shopping centre. So I thought what I would do, because I'm going to have no time really, probably maybe not even 9-10 minutes of shoot time, to shoot on this, the iPhone. It's an iPhone 13. iPhoneography, iPhone street photography, and just see what I can come up with. If I can come up with 5, maybe 10 clicks, I don't know, maybe even pull the old Hipstamatic out, we'll see. I've slung the GoPro in my pocket. Hopefully we can work something out. Please subscribe to to this channel if you're not subscribed already. I promise it's not always like this. There's nothing wrong with it though, is there? When the chips are down, you've got to improvise a bit. Yes, so please subscribe to the channel. If you've not bought my zine yet, The Way of the Street Photographer, grab yourself a copy, guys. I promise you're going to love it. LashmarCreative.com. Right, shall we go for it? I've got to jump on the tube. Maybe I can get a couple of pictures on the tube of sorts. I used to shoot with a smartphone a lot, way back. You know, when those iPhones were a little bit like I preferred the look of those. They had like a little bit more of an analog feel. There's a portfolio of my iPhone street stuff on my website. I'll put a link in the show notes. So if I'll be away with cameras shooting, maybe for a brand or something like that, and I will just be experimenting with the iPhone. But anyway, let's crack on because we ain't got any time. Let's get in the character.
Your definition of happiness?
A clear horizon, nothing to worry about on your plate, only things that are creative.